Okay, let's dive into how you can unlock your legacy data for AI.
Sound familiar? So much of your best data is probably trapped, totally out of reach for modern AI.
Just think, it's like a library full of priceless information, but all the doors are locked.
Well, CONNX is the master key. It already gives you unified access to pretty much everything. But here's the tricky part. How do you get your AI to understand all those different systems?
And that's exactly where the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, comes into play.
It's a pretty new open-source standard built specifically to solve this exact problem for AI.
I love this analogy. Think of MCP as the USB-C port for AI. Everything just plugs in.
So, an MCP server basically extends CONNX, turning it into a secure bridge for AI to talk to your data.
So how does it work? Well, MCP uses these three building blocks to standardize how AI talks to other systems. And all that comes together in a really simple, powerful workflow. Let's walk through it.
What's the result? You can now ask your most complex systems questions in plain English. It's wild.
So forget writing complex code. Now your team can just ask for what they need.
And this works even when the data is spread out across, say, SQL Server and an old vSAM file.
This means you can get to the root of a problem way faster, making smarter decisions with your data.
When you put it all together, the business benefits are huge. We're talking democratized access and way faster insights.
Okay, but what about security? I know you're thinking it. This is all built on an enterprise-grade foundation. It takes all the proven security from CONNX and then adds best practices specifically for AI interactions.
The bottom line? You're not ripping and replacing. You're making your existing infrastructure AI ready.
So it really just leaves one big question. What's the first thing you're going to ask your data?